In this lesson, I want to show you how to analyze the deformation of a barrel in Autodesk Inventor. We will also model the barrel. We'll start modeling it like this. We'll draw two 2D sketches. There, we'll take a circle, like this. Something like that. Now here, we also draw a line. Click at 500. Now we take a circle and carefully draw it just like that. 400. Click, click, click. Just again. Just like that. Now let's draw from this point to this one, and from this one to that one. Okay. Now let's take trim and just cut off the extra curves. Let's open origins, select the y-axis, and click project. Let's remove all the dimensions so that it doesn't interfere with washing, and erase them. And conjugations. That's it. Now let's take trim and cut it. Okay. Finish sketch. Now let's take a revolver. And in select AX, choose our y-axis and rotate our barrel. Now let's take fillet and make a fillet here, just a small one. Enter. Now let's draw our legs. For this, we'll take the bottom plane. Offset from plane. Here it is, and lower it down here. Okay. Now we draw circles there. Okay. A circle here. Now select pattern. Select our circle, and in select axis, choose our point. 4 instances. Okay. Finish sketch. Now do extrude, and there, select that one. Right here. That command. Turn it on, and select the surface up to which we want to extrude them. Just like that. Enter. Now let's assign the steel material to our barrel. Here it is in the list. Let's open appearance. Click here on the pencil to edit, enable tint. And here, for example, blue. Okay. And now our barrel is made of blue metal. I like it better this way. Now let's go to environments. There, select stress analysis. Create study. Okay. Click on fix it and select the bottom parts of our legs, the ones they're standing on. Now click on gravity and in direction, select this round surface here. I'm not clicking on force or specifying any particular direction, because in this lesson I want to show you how to make the barrel crush the legs under its own weight. So let's create gravity. Yes, here it is. Click on mesh and choose a normal mesh size for our simple calculation. Now click on simulate. Here's how it was simulated. Let's turn on displacement and animate. But don't focus too much on the animation itself. What you really want to pay attention to is the scale on the left side. It shows the actual deformation in numbers. You can convert these numbers with the letter E on our website using a special calculator. Now let's give some thickness to our legs and re-simulate them. Let's make it 5. Here, 5, 5, That is 5 and 5. Done. Finish sketch. Edit with shift. Didn't mess anything up. Enter. Just like that. Let's go to stress analysis. We'll leave everything as it is for now. Stimulant. And it will compile the mesh for us automatically. There, it has recompiled the mesh. Let's turn on displacement. If we look at the animation, we can see that the legs have deformed quite a bit. But if we look at the scale on the left, we see once again those same negligible values. So the legs have barely deformed under the barrel's own weight. This was Robert FTF with you. Goodbye everyone.